my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be doing an Asos haul. Asos, I'm not sure which is the correct way to pronounce it, but I say Asos. So today we're going to be doing an Asos haul. What's new in on the website now. I found a ton of good stuff. I just don't know whether to keep some of it, I don't know, you know what it's like. So let's get into the first outfit, and don't forget to comment below and let me know what you think of the outfits, because I love reading your comments and it really helps me decide. So let's get into the first one. So first up we have this black slip dress, which I loved when I saw it online. It also comes in navy. It's this lovely material. It's got a super nice back on it, although it did take me around 20 minutes to get this on. I don't know why, I just really struggled. When it came it was all loose, so I didn't know what to do with any of the stuff. I had to go back to the website to find it on the model. Anyway, long story short, once I got it on, I loved it. It's so comfy and the material is so soft on your body, and I think it's really flattering. And what I do like about it is that you can pull these as tight as you want at the back, so you can still see your waist. I think when I bought a slip dress from Topshop before and it didn't show my waist at all, and I didn't feel slim in it, but with this you can still see your waist because you can pull it tighter. So that's the things I love about it. There are some things I don't like about it. I'm 5'10", so I'm super tall, so this for me does feel short. For example, like when I'm walking down the street, I think that it would feel short on my bum. I think that I would be a little bit paranoid perhaps because it does feel short. And another thing, the boob area. For me, I like to feel like my boobs are not going to come out. I don't know, my boobs are quite small, so I think in this, they're just there. I think if you had bigger boobs, they would like be more fitted to it. I don't know if that makes sense, but I've seen girls wear this with much bigger boobs, and I don't know if it looks better on them than it does on me, because I'm not really filling out that area, so they're just there like ready to come out. So I don't know. I do like it a lot. Here I've just sort of shown how versatile it can be. So basically from like in London, if you go out in the day, you usually just stay out all night, so I really wanted to choose things that you could wear day to night. And this, obviously, the denim shirt I've just chucked on top, it's just Claudio's denim shirt that I've just used for the video to show you how you could dress it. I just think like if you can chuck a denim shirt on top, it would look really cool with like white trainers. What I do think would look so good with this is the Alexander McQueen trainers with the black on the back, but Lord knows I haven't got £360 spent on Alexander McQueen trainers, so you know, these superstars will do. So I've got my Adidas trainers on with it, which I still think looks nice, and this is just sort of like a cash look. But then if you want to make it more dressy but you feel like, you know, maybe it's too much skin showing for you, you can also just put it with a blazer. So for example, I felt like it was quite lingerie-ish on its own with the heels, so I teamed it with a blazer in this, and I think that it looks a lot nicer with a blazer on, for me anyway, personally. You can wear it in literally any way you want, like that's what I do love about this dress. So here I've got it on with the blazer, which I loved it with. I think it looks so cool. I think it's just like a nice vibe. It's smart but it's still sexy, and I think it works. The only thing obviously for me is that I am tall and it's short, and the boob area, I don't know. I've got this blazer on. I'm going to come on to the blazer next because I actually bought that in this suit, so we'll talk about that next. But for now, obviously the dress, the price point on this is £35, and I got it in, let me just check, a 10. So I got this in a 10, and I think it fits perfectly, and I would say I'm an 8 to 10. So I went for a 10. It's £35, and it also comes in navy, which I think would be really nice for the summer as well. And yeah, overall I'm unsure because I love so many things about it, but I don't like some things as well. I'm tempted to keep it just team with blazers, but then also I'm like, oh, could I find something for the same price point? I'm not sure. So the first one is the dress, but I'm not sure about it. Let me know what you think. Okay, so next up we have this coral suit that I ordered. I originally saw this on the Asos site and I was like, oh my god, yes, my praise to a nice suit had been answered. I'm really looking for like a nice summer suit, and if you watched my Zara haul, I tried on a pink gingham suit in that. But again, I just couldn't commit to it. So I thought I would try this one, which is coral, which is a little bit cheaper than the other one. But I was slightly disappointed. I think that more than anything, it just doesn't fit me properly. And I think with a suit, it has to fit you nice for it to like have the same effect, if you know what I mean. So this is the colour. Like, wow, it's such a pretty colour. I do love it. The colour is my favourite thing about it, which is what made me buy it in the first place. But then when I put it on, it just doesn't fit me properly. I don't think that it's the best material either. Oh, sorry, I just moved the camera then. I don't think the material is my favourite. It's kind of got a sheen to it, which I personally don't find flattering on me, a sheen, especially if you're going to take a picture. I don't think it works with a sheen. So I don't know about this. I love the colour and I think it can definitely be rocked by some people. I just don't think that person is me. If you look in the video, the trousers just fit me so strangely. So on my calves, they're really tight, which I have got like, I don't know, I've never thought I had big calves, but the calves part is really tight, and then the waist part is really baggy, which is a bit weird. There's no stretch in the material, so I couldn't even pull it up because it was so tight on my calves. I couldn't get it up to my waist, so it's just completely baggy and not flattering. And yeah, it just doesn't work for me. My boobs are nearly out in the top, and obviously I know you can wear a vest under it, but I want a suit that I can wear with nothing underneath. Like, I think that's the vibe I want to find this summer. So for this suit, it just didn't work for me. Personally, I just don't think I could rock it. I think you can give it a go, but I think the sizing is very odd. I, for example, got these in a UK 10. So the trousers I got in a 10. Again, I couldn't get them off my calves, but my waist was too big. So I don't know. I can't even comment. I don't know what to say about that, about the calf thing. I'm unsure. So I got this in an 8, which is huge. It's way too big. So I don't know. I think if you're gonna buy a size down in the blazer, but it was too big for me, and I'm not smaller than an 8. Like, so I think that the suit is small on the bottom, big on the top. I don't know, overall it's big, but except on your calves. I don't really know what to say about this. Let me know what you think, but I think for me it's definitely going back. So the hunt for a nice summer suit is still on. If you find any, let me know in the comment section and help me out, because I really want to find one. Maybe even a white one, I don't know. I don't know if I can trust myself wearing a white suit, but I don't know. If you see any, tag me in them on my Instagram at Sophie Moles, and then I can have a little look, because I'm dying to get one, like a staple suit. So next up we have this bralette or crop top, whatever you want to call it. It is really nice. I like it a lot. It is from the brand Collusion, which I'm loving at the moment. I ordered a ton of stuff from them, so they're on Asos obviously. I love this. I think it's really nice. I think what's different about it is that it's a little bit shiny, so it's like a satin look, and I think that's what dresses it up, because normally I wouldn't just buy a plain, I don't know what it's called, there is a special term for it, but I can't remember what it is. I wouldn't normally just buy it because I think, oh, I've got so many of them, you know, there's no point. But with this, it was shiny, so I was like, oh, a little bit shiny, I'll give it a go, and I really liked it. So in the video I've got it on my shorts just to show you, obviously, if it's a hot day like today in London, then you could just wear it with shorts and nothing, and you'd still be able to catch a tan on your shoulders, so it's nice for that. But then obviously in the night it gets a little bit colder, you need a day to night outfit. You can put a blazer on to dress this up, and like I said, because of the satin material, I think it works day to night, and you can still wear it with a blazer. Like, I think it looks really nice with a blazer. Let me know what you think. Claudio was like, no, I don't like it, it doesn't look good with the blazer, it doesn't match. But I think it does, so I don't know, we're having a bit of a back and forth with that. What do you think? So I've also put it on with the suit jacket, which I know I said I didn't like. I do, it's just I love the colour. I love the colour so much. I wish it fitted me better, because if it did fit me better, I would probably just keep the jacket and send the trousers back, but I just can't get on with the fit. Like, the arms on it, done, you know, like when you rush up your arms? I don't know, when you pull up the arm to obviously make your waist look a bit slimmer, when you, I don't know if the word's ruche, but when you pull up the sleeves basically. It looks nice, it does look nice, but they've just kept falling down because they're not as tight. I don't know, maybe I should try it in a 6, but I don't know, I'm just unsure about the jacket, but I do think it looks really nice. I don't know, what do you think about the jacket? I just do think it looks really nice with this outfit. I just love the colour. The colour is like warm in my heart, but the fit is telling me absolutely not. So the next up we have this Collusion shirt, again the same brand as the black spandex top. I love it. I love it. I love the shirt. I love the fit on it. It's an oversized masculine shirt, but then the femininity of the colours really works. I really, really like it, and I think that I'm going to get my way out of it. I just very much enjoy the colours, and I like the material. It's soft, it's nice. I like it a lot. However, I originally did want to wear this as a dress, so like a dress shirt, just with some nice trainers, but obviously I'm 5'10", so it's come back and it's too short. For me anyway, but I'm sure obviously if you're 5'9" and under, I think you're gonna be fine. But for me, I have got quite a long body, so it's just too short to go out and just be in it. So what I've done is I paired it with basically some denim shorts and a white vest, which I also got from Asos. And yeah, I just think that it works. I can just wear it over that rather than as the dress, and I still think it's nice. I could even wear the same thing with jeans on a colder day, and I think that I will get my way out of it. I just love how baggy it is, and it feels really nice on. And yeah, I just really, really like this. I really like the shirt. So the price point on this is £22, which I do think is fair. I do think it's a really, really nice shirt, and I do think obviously it's versatile and you can chuck it on with a couple of different things. So I do think that it is worth the £22. And obviously I had a size 8, so do size down if you're in between two sizes. So next up we have the top that I'm wearing. It is again from Collusion. It is a size 8. And I just think it's super cute. It is really nice and it's really sturdy. The sleeves do not fall down. It's just once it's on, it's on. Originally I was unsure because of the line at the bottom where your waist is goes out. And obviously I like to make my waist look as small as possible, so the fact that it was going out, I was like, oh, a little bit unsure. But now I've got it on, I think it's fine, and I think it can work with jeans, with shorts. I think that you can wear it with a couple of things. It's light and it's easy to wear, so I think for summer it could just be like something I chuck on. And again, I do like the brand, so I think the quality of this stuff is really good for what the price point is. So yeah, I really like this white crop. Let me know what you think, because I am really towards keeping it. And yeah, I'm probably just gonna keep it. I'm gonna keep it. I don't even know why I'm lying to you. I'm keeping it. I've got it on, so I don't even know why I'm like, let me know, because nah, I'm keeping this one. I'm keeping it because I like it. I think it's cute. So yeah, I'm keeping it. Let me know what you think anyway. But I do like it, and I do like it with jeans. I like it with shorts, and I just think it works. And yeah, it's just sturdy and nice, and I enjoy it. The price point on this is £15, so the same as the black, same style top, I guess, from the same brand. Again, it's £15, which I do think is fair. And yeah, I just really liked it. I think I'm gonna keep it. So next up we have this nude t-shirt from Collusion. Bet you've heard of me saying that. I got it in a size medium, but if I could go back I probably would get it in a small. I've got it on with the shorts here, which the shorts are a little bit too big for me now, to be honest, and I do need to get new ones, so it's not really as flattering as it should be with it tucked in. But I do like it. It was only £5. It was £5, like, it's so cheap. And I've been wanting to try an oversized tee, but I never want to spend like £30 on an oversized tee, because I know what I'm like, and I'm only just gonna wear it. I'll wear it around the house, and I'll wear it like if we pop to the shops or we go for a walk. Like, I wouldn't wear it for dinner, I wouldn't wear it for brunch, so I never want to spend that much money. But for this one, obviously it was only £5. I love the colour, so I think it's nice to just chuck on, cash, comfy. And yeah, it is long, so if you are shorter, you'll be able to wear it as a t-shirt dress 100%. I can't, because obviously I'm 5'10", so it doesn't cut it for me, it doesn't cover my bum enough. But if you are shorter, you could definitely pull it off as a t-shirt dress. And yeah, if you want obviously the cheaper versions, I bought a ton of t-shirt dress in the past, but the quality on this is really good. I like it. I like it. What do you think? Let me know in the comment section below. So next up we have this black crop, which I loved on the website. When I saw it, I was like, oh my god, that's a bit of me, I have to have it. But now I've got it on, I'm like, I don't know, I'm not sure. It's £14, which is quite a lot for a cut up t-shirt, but I do like it. I just can't decide with this one. I don't know. I think it's cute to have in the wardrobe to chuck on with jeans, shorts, and I really like the thing at the front where it's like tied and it's cute. But then obviously with the way it's cut, it's supposed to be like a scruffy grunge look, and I just don't know if that ever suits me. I do like it. It's got this elastic in the back, so it fits properly. It doesn't go everywhere, and I do feel secure in it, but I just don't know. I don't know if it's nice enough. £14, if I have it in my wardrobe, how many times will I pull it out to wear? Will I wear it on holidays? I don't know if it's too I don't know about this one. Let me know what you think. I have no idea about this top, whether to send back. I'm literally just, I have got no feelings for it. Which is probably a bad sign, to be fair, because if you don't love something, my mother always said, if you don't love it and you need it, then you shouldn't buy it. And when we're shopping, we normally like, oh, I've got this, I've got too much in my yes pile. We have a yes and no pile, and I'm like, oh, I've got too much in my yes pile, and she'd be like, right, you have to make some no's, and I'm like, oh, but I love this though, and she's like, but if you leave here, are you gonna think about it in a week time? And I'm like, yeah. She's like, get it then. Do you know what I mean? That's how we decide, like, but are you gonna think about that in 2 weeks? Is it gonna be the one that got away? If it is, buy it. If you're not and you're gonna forget about it, leave it. And I feel like this is the way I feel about this top. I'm probably gonna forget about it. So lastly, we're gonna do some accessories. I haven't got too much, but I did buy these shoes. Let me know what you think. I'm really unsure on these shoes. Claudio hates them. He's like, please send them back. It's just because they like kind of what the really expensive Balenciagas, like, I know I'm gonna say that wrong, Balenciaga, they kind of like that shape, but obviously I'm not spending that much on a shoe. So these are New Balance. They were £60, and I just don't know. I just don't know if I'll get my way out of them. In my head, I always think like, oh, I want to do that style where you wear the socks and the shoes and you're cool. But then whenever I put them on, I'm like, I'm not cool enough for this. Like, I actually can't do it. It's not my style, so I don't know. I'm probably gonna send them back. I do it every time I order these shoes. I literally was ordering them last year when they came out. I just don't think I can pull it off. It's just, when I see it on girls, I'm like, oh my god, she looks so cool and like stylish, and then as soon as I put them on, I got size 8 feet, so I don't know. I think I have to probably accept now that that's not for me and stop ordering shoes that look like them Balenciaga trainers, because I don't know why I keep doing it at this point. And we also have these earrings that I've got in, these little gold hoops, which I love. I usually buy all my gold hoops from Topshop or Riella or Miss Oma, but I saw these and I feel like Asos jewellery is so underrated. It's so cheap. I think these were £12, which isn't, I would like them to be cheaper obviously, but I do like them, and I have been looking for small cute hoops. So if you want them, obviously I'll link them below. They are really nice, and they got a clasp at the back so they hold in, so they are good. I do like them. And this necklace, everyone kept asking me from my Zara haul. It's actually from Miss Oma, so thank you all so much for DMing me on Insta and asking me, but this time I'll link it below for you. The necklace is from Miss Oma. I'll put the link below. And I just wanted to throw these in the accessories part because I don't really feel like it's an outfit. But I also ordered these jogging bottoms, which I love and I'm going to keep. They're this insane green colour. They're Adidas and I just love them. And they've got them in all other colours. They're high-waisted, so they're really flattering. They're quite tight, but they're still stretchy. I ordered them in an 8, and obviously I go 8 to 10. So if you are wondering, then I would size down. But yeah, they're fab. I love them. And I wanted to just chuck them in for you to have a little look at. And I will link them below. That is it for me today. That is my Asos haul. I hope you all enjoyed it. Be sure to let me know what were your favourites in the comments below. I literally love reading your comments after I post a video. It literally makes my life. So comment, like the video, subscribe to my channel because there'll be new videos every week. And if you have got Instagram, check out my Instagram. It's @SophieMoles, which I'll link below. And it literally makes my day, like getting a thing saying, I found you on YouTube, I loved your video. Like, it actually, I can't even cope. So thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you all next week.